Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of car audio with the Car Radio 1 DIN Stereo Player Digital Bluetooth Car MP3 Player. This sleek and versatile player is packed with features that are sure to take your driving experience to the next level. Let's start off with the digital Bluetooth capability of this player. You can easily connect your phone for hands-free calling and music streaming, making your drive safer and more enjoyable. And with support for ID3 and FM radio, you'll always have access to your favorite tunes. The preset EQ settings allow you to customize your sound experience, while the repeat, random, and intro play features add a touch of convenience to your music playback. Plus, the high-fidelity audio format support ensures that you'll always get crystal clear sound quality. But that's not all. This player also comes with a range of other handy features, including a digital clock display, file playback function, and multi-circuit protection tests for added peace of mind. And with a full-function remote control included in the package, you'll have complete control over your audio experience. The Car Radio 1 DIN Stereo Player is not just about functionality, it's also designed with style in mind. The bright LED display and front isolated channel button give it a modern and sleek look that will complement any car interior. So if you're ready to take your car audio to the next level, this player is definitely worth checking out. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to install and comes with everything you need to get started right away. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Car Radio 1 DIN Stereo Player Digital Bluetooth Car MP3 Player today and upgrade your driving experience. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you found this review helpful, and stay tuned for more exciting reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.